Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find developer settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here, as you see, you will find it here down. You will find here developer settings. And here, as you see, you can find all developer settings, all the information about it. And that's it for today. That's how to find developer settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.